In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video from the Meta AI app to your mobile device. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your phone and go to the chat where the video was generated. Make sure you're in the correct conversation so you can quickly find the exact video you want to save. If you have several messages in the chat, take a moment to scroll until the video appears clearly on screen. Once you find the video, tap on it to open it in full screen. This usually makes more options available and gives you a better view of the controls associated with that video. Opening it fully is important because in many apps, download or sharing features are easier to access from the full screen view than from the regular chat window. Next, look around the screen for an option labeled Download, Save, or Share. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but these are the most common choices you'll see. In some cases, the option may appear as an icon rather than a word, so pay attention to any familiar symbols, especially the share icon. If you see a download or save option, tap it. After that, give the app a moment to process the request. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, the download may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the process fully completes before leaving the screen, just to avoid interrupting the save. When the download is finished, open your device's Photos app or Gallery app to confirm that the video was saved successfully. This quick check helps make sure the file is actually stored on your device and ready to use offline whenever you need it. If you don't see a direct download option, don't worry. Tap the share button instead and check whether your phone shows a save video option. On some devices, saving through the share menu is the standard way to store media locally, so this is a useful alternative to know. After the video has been saved, you'll be able to access it anytime from your gallery. From there, you can keep it for personal use, edit it with your favorite video tools, or share it on the platform of your choice. And that's it. That's how to save a video from the Meta AI app to your mobile device quickly and easily.